You have to be thinking about how am I going to get paid? You got to be thinking about what your overhead is. As far as once you do that, the next thing would be you gotta fix your phones, right? Everything starts with the phones. Your phones need to be answered correctly. I'm on the Answering Legal podcast. If you don't have somebody answering your phones, hire Answering Legal to get them to answer your phones. 89% of people are not going to leave a voicemail. They're calling the next person on the Google search list. So your phones need to be answered. My phones are answered 24/7, 365 by a live person who is taking information and telling that person we're going to get it back in touch with them. That's crucial. You've got to have your phones fixed. You got to answer the phones correctly. You got to build a relationship. You got to follow up with them. You need to call them back. All of these things. And you think that's easy, but it's not. When you start to get busy and you don't have enough staff, and you might not have enough staff because you're not charging the right fee. Be aware of what your profit and loss is. If you're a small business owner, every dollar in overhead is a dollar you have to earn before you get paid. And everybody else gets paid before you do. And you need to really be aware of that as you start to grow your business. And the first thing operationally you got to do is you got to make sure your phones are answered and answered correctly all the time.